Sushi isn't just food. It's an art form that takes years to master, but now you can learn the basics in just one evening. Blind Owl Restaurant in Royal Oak is offering hands-on sushi rolling class where guests learn the history, ingredients, and techniques behind this ancient craft. Joining me now, is Tony Vitale from Blind Owl Restaurant and sushi chef, say that 10 times fast, Ivan DeLu. How are you doing this morning, guys?
Awesome. Happy to be here.
All right, so first, tell me about the restaurant, Blind Owl.
Well, Blind Owl is a special place. Owner Nicholas Andreasen really wanted to make a place that there's something for everybody. So whether it's Latin fare, tacos, quesadillas, enchiladas, American food, a boom shakalaka burger, Monte Cristo, or even a full sushi menu, there's really something for everyone at the restaurant.
Okay, and if you can just tell me about what was the inspiration to host hands-on sushi rolling classes?
Well, you know, coming up is Valentine's Day, and what a better opportunity to plan a date and be known for planning a date than the Wednesday before, February 11th, having an opportunity to not just eat sushi, but roll with a master. And, you know, our tickets are available now on our website. You can click on the link on the events page and sign up for the class now. But to show you a little bit about what we're going to be doing, I'm going to turn it over to Chef Ivan.
Chef Ivan, yes. So for those who are new to this, like myself, what are the secrets?
Well, it's all technique, understanding simple flavors and basic techniques. I mean, you're looking at a basic California roll. You've got cucumber, avocado, and a piece of protein. You know, really taking those flavors, putting them together. In the class, you know, you'll see how to identify different kinds of things when you go out to eat. You'll be able to identify different flavors, how to use your own cultural background and infuse that into the actual rolls itself. Plus, if you go with another person, it's a great way to connect on a deeper level. I mean, I don't know if you've ever been with a loved one that close with really sharp knives, but it's it's a pretty interesting thing, and it can get you pretty fired up. But if you will, I'd like to show you how to actually roll one of these. So right now, we've already got some bases set up. I've got some gloves over here. That's a large right there.
Okay.
So these are vinyl gloves. These gloves actually make it so that way the rice doesn't stick to the gloves. If you use any other kind, it will stick, it will be messy. So all these little tips, all these little tricks are things you're gonna find out when you're in the class. You know, how do we get the rice to not stick to our hands? As chefs, we grab an avocado. Rub it on our hands.
So like rub the avocado,
just a little bit on there.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Rub that into your hands.
All right.
There you go. Now the rice won't stick.
I was always taught not to play with my food. It's kind of fun.
Yeah. And then you're going to grab your protein here, and you're going to take 2 pieces of it and put it right in the middle.
Okay. So should I do 2 more over here?
On yours right there. Yep.
All right, cool.
So if you see everything, you can almost measure it with your bare hands, right? 4 fingers here, that there, that's a finger wide, that's a finger wide. So again, these are all little things you'll be able to notice and learn in the class. So we get everything there in the middle, and we take our thumbs right underneath here. And we're going to take that, the rest of our 4 fingers are going to go right over the top. We're going to take that and put it right over it. You're going to start from one side now, and you're going to tuck in. Left to right.
Left to right, okay.
And then you're going to go right to left and finish that roll over. There you go.
Looking good.
We're going to take our makisu here. We're going to just put that.
Makisu,
Makisu, yeah.
On top.
Shaping. So we're just putting it on there. No pressure at all. All you're doing is shaping and making sure your ends are good. Yeah. We're tapping. And you can just lift that up and put it right over the front. So this is the base of how you'll get to here. One of our most delectable new rolls, surf and turf. This is going to have shrimp tempura, cucumber, avocado, red pepper on the inside, a shaved ribeye, and a garlic truffle sriracha sauce on top. We take that whole roll, torch it.
Look at that.
The oils from the truffles start to activate. You get the aromatics in there. You get a nice crust on the ribeye. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. This entire roll is fully cooked. So a big part of what we're doing at Blind Owl is making sushi more approachable for the average guest. People shouldn't have to go out and get sushi and be afraid. I want to make it where you can come to a place, get sushi, get tacos, hang out with your friends, have a good time. And with this class, you'll be able to learn all of the little things that I'm doing while you come and enjoy that experience at the restaurant.
Now, the big question is, can I try one?
Yeah.
That's the main question right here.
So you've got this right here.
We're not done yet.
A little bit of scallion on top.
Yeah.
Here you go,
That
Chef.
smells good. All right. Let's see here. Try one on the end. It's so good. Tell me where, as I eat this, can you tell me where people can find you and your information?
All right, well, Blind Owl Royal Oak, we're right in Royal Oak, but you can go to blindowlrestaurant.com, click on the Royal Oak tab on the events page. It'll take you a link right to Eventbrite where you can buy your tickets for February 11th, Wednesday, starting about 6 o'clock. We've only got about 14, 16 seats left, so get your tickets before they sell out.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining us. I'm going to finish this while we toss it back over to Brett with another check of the forecast. Or after the break, we'll come back to Brett with the check of the forecast.